Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource Garage. How is it going? And I have here this 2003 Golf. I'm making a bunch of service on it, and right now I will be rebuilding that lower arm. I removed this arm because both bushings are bad. You can see this one, right? It's all ripped. Hopefully you can see it. Let's watch for the light. Yeah, so this is bad. This one is so bad. When it was in the car, there was a huge play. And actually it's so bad that it already fell apart. And when I press out things, right, using the press, I always making sure that it can get out easily. And that will be in this case too. So I will try to lubricate, right, those parts which I'm dealing with, so it can really nicely and easy go out, and I don't put too much stress on that press. And here you can see detail how I set it up. So this part will be pushing, right, that rubber bushing out of this control arm. This is so-called a receiving cap, right? This is the whole press. Of course, I want to also lubricate those threads. Everything is going nice and smooth. So let's see if it will go nice and smooth. This is what it is. This one is 22, right? So let's go and see. This will be a good time to have your air tools ready, right? Because you can just go here without using these hand tools. Let's see. Seems to be pushing it out, right? Let's see if it's true and if it's all out in that receiver, right? Actually, I will be switching off the camera. Nope. Let's see if we succeed. Here is the bushing, right? This was the part, inside part. And that's what was causing that excessive play on that car. So I have this. That was the socket I chosen to pull out, right? So now I'm ready to install the new one. So I will go ahead, perfectly clean it, right? I want to have that install easy as possible. The only lubrication, in this case I'm using something what evaporates, right? WD-40. I'm not going to put any heavy grease. I'm ready to go for it. I compare the new and old, right? They look identical, so let's go. This adapter seems to be perfect, right? This side, obviously not this one. This is really nice, so hopefully that will help me to press it in nice and easy. Let's see. And it was a lot of work, but now I have nicely pressed new bushing in this arm. This is fantastic. I'm excited.